So a few days ago, a really good friend of mine gave me a call and asked me to take a look at a project that he actually caught wind of. He said that he was pretty excited about it. He thought that this was gonna be something that could be potentially very big. And most of the time when I get calls about taking a look at a project, I usually look at it for 5 minutes and I know for a fact that it's not gonna be a solid project, it's just junk. But when I actually received the documents, the PDF, and I looked at it, the thing that caught my attention was the brand. Like, I absolutely fell in love with the way it looked, how it felt, and that caught my attention just enough for me to look at the project and figure out if there was a real solution that was solving a problem in the marketplace. And today, I'm excited to actually go over a review with you, a project called PunkPanda that I truly believe that could potentially be a big home run in terms of decentralization, in terms of privacy of your information. Hang tight, we're gonna go through that in this video. All right guys, welcome back to Passive Income Group, where we show you some of the best ways that you can generate passive income within the digital space. My name is Twan, and if you haven't done so yet, definitely smash that like button, subscribe, and ring that bell so that way you can get notified every single time that we upload videos on this channel. So today we're gonna review PunkPanda. Like I said, a friend of mine showed it to me just a handful of days ago and it really caught my attention, and I figured let's go through a quick review on this project because I think that once you see what I saw, I think you'll see that this could be a potential opportunity to really get involved in. So the first thing is, like, when I looked at the first slide, it really caught my attention because it sums it all up under one page, and I'll just read it to you real quick. So imagine if you had a messaging app like WhatsApp or Telegram that paid you every day for using it and sharing it. Now imagine if those daily rewards represent your ownership in the success of the company. So think about it though, WhatsApp sold to Facebook for 19 billion. Dropbox file sharing service is valued at 10 billion. And Zoom, which all of us use or actually heard of during the time of COVID right now, actually currently right now is valued at $98 billion. Now the question is, did you ever get paid for using or sharing them? And of course the answer is no. So for me, when I looked at this page, it really summed it all up under the first page, that it is a messaging app that the more you use it, the more you get paid every day for using and sharing it. And in other words, it's like Zoom, WhatsApp, and Dropbox all combined under one umbrella. But it really attacks a big problem that currently is happening in the marketplace. Now, for me, living in the States, I can tell you right now that more and more people today are quote unquote woke. What does that mean? That means that they are more aware of what's happening to them in this world, that they're not blinded. Things like security, more and more people are now concerned that there's someone else listening while they're using these apps. They're noticing that they're getting these apps and these pop-ups. They're talking about t-shirt brand, and before you know it, now their Facebook, their Instagram has a ton of those brands that are actually appearing on their computer screen or on their phone, if that matters, right? How many times have you talked about something and then you started seeing ads? Or when you're actually you're messaging your friend or whatever the case is, and before you know it, you start seeing these images pop up. And so PunkPanda is the world's first security message app that pays you to use it and to share it. And the best part is totally free and rewards you with PunkPanda tokens multiple times a day for using it. It actually also has military grade encryption protocol that protects your personal privacy and data security. So as you use the app, you share the app, and of course, if you hold tokens, there's an ecosystem within the Panda app. You can farm it and earn rewards for simply doing that. And so currently right now, PunkPanda right now is actually at a state of pre-sale right now. There's 275 million PunkPanda tokens in the max supply. Right now, at the time of recording this video, you can actually get your hands on the token between 10 cents to $1. As you're using your phone, using the app, you're gonna be able to earn PunkPanda along the way for free. So here's the token allocation right here. Is the total supply is 275 million, but 65 million is pre-mined, is designed for branding and marketing purposes to get the name out there. And so 25 million of it is designed just for that, for marketing, airdrops, and promos. And then 32 million is set aside for founder and team they actually have a vesting period that they cannot have access to it over a sustained amount of time, several years. And the founding contributors, which are the ambassadors, are actually incentivized to really drive and get the pre-sale tokens out, so that way it can get the name and the brand out there. And of course, within 15 years, a total of 210 million will be actually allocated out for those that are using the app, so that way they can earn token rewards. But simply put, all you have to do is actually open up your wallet and you'll be able to see PPM tokens being earned every 30 minutes, no requirement. And the more Panda Pals in your circle, your friends and family that you invite to actually download the app and use, the more that you're able to actually earn rewards from that. So right now what I want to do is go through the utility behind how you can use the PunkPanda app. And the first thing is that they have a utility token that allows you to have access to the encrypted Panda Pro messaging app, the Panda Post file sharing, the Panda Meet video, the Vault for storage, crypto wallet, video gaming, NFT marketplace, and DeFi lending, which basically is something that I'm very excited about. And of course, you can also have fun with the Panda gifts and stickers. So at the time of recording this video, depending on where it's at, the starting price of the pre-sale started at 10 cents. And every time that they actually sell $50,000 increments, it goes up by 1 cent and starts scaling rapidly to $1. To me, you guys, is that whether it's 10 cents, 50 cents, or 99 cents, anything that's under $1 is a steal, okay? And so right now you have the opportunity to actually get in during the pre-sale. And if you don't want to do it, that's fine. You have the opportunity to actually download the app and be able to actually mint the tokens in your wallet, and you can actually swap it for BNB. And also at the same time, as you actually get access to the tokens through pre-sale, depending on what you purchase, you'll be able to actually have it staked monthly on your behalf during the vesting period. And so you can see the chart on the right side. From $50 to $1,000 worth, you're going to be able to have staking rewards of 9% a month. 1,000 to 5,000 get you 10% a month. 5,000 to 10,000 get you 12% a month, and 10,000 to 100,000 will get you 15% a month. And there's also an opportunity for you to refer other friends and family if you're actually really excited about the project. So there's a direct commission, all paid on token purchases within your first 8 levels. So if you go out there and refer people to the pre-sale tokens, you're going to be able to actually earn 6% one-time direct referral commissions. Level 2 is 3%, level 3 2%, level 4 is at 1%, and level 5 and 6 is at 0.5%, 7 and 8 you're earning 0.35%, and levels 9 through 12 you're earning 0.25%. Now if you notice on the right side, there's staking commissions. What does that mean? That means during the vesting period, as they are during the pre-sale, as they're holding the tokens on your behalf before they actually release them to you, you're actually earning staking rewards every single month. At level 1, you're earning 8%. Level 2, you're earning 4%. Level 3, you're earning 3%. Level 4, 2%. And level 5, you're picking up 1%. PunkPanda token listing. So after pre-sale, there will be only 3 ways to access PPM tokens. When you use the app, when you share it, and of course, you can buy tokens on PancakeSwap the moment it lists on the exchange. The total amount of pre-sale tokens that you've purchased, 0, will be released to you on the day it gets listed, the entire month. Now in month 2, you're gonna get 1% released to you. In month 3, you get 2%, 4, you get 3%, month 5, you get 4%, month 6 through 10, you're picking up a total of 25%, which is 5% a month. And month 11 going forward, you're getting 10% a month until max out 100% of the total tokens that you purchased during pre-sale will be released to you. And some of you that are actually new to pre-sale tokens within the decentralized world, the reason why they do this is because they want to be able to actually choke the supply, and they want to make sure that the value of the tokens stay consistent and not pumped and then dumped. You definitely don't want, it's a big alarm when you find projects that they release 100% of the tokens to you right away. Because if they do that for you, they do that for everybody else. And what that's going to do is that that's going to dump the value of the token, and you will be left with nothing but pretty much getting wrecked. There's also a special 48-hour rule for all Panda token holders that for those that do decide to participate during the pre-sale, all the tokens that you purchase during this time will be 100% automatically staked in your digital wallet. And if you decide to unstake your tokens to withdraw, the smart contract will skip delivery of those tokens to your wallet for the next 48 hours. And 48 hours later, you can withdraw, then restake your remaining tokens if you wish to. Also, please be aware that purchased tokens are staked and will not be able to be withdrawn until a token is listed. Tokens earned from daily interest, commissions, or rewards can be withdrawn via a swap feature, which will convert PPM to BNB within the PunkPanda farm. So guys, that's pretty much it. I know that was a lot of information, but in a nutshell, what I see here is that this is a unique communication app that is peer-to-peer with encryption, and it actually provides privacy that runs through the blockchain, and it's safe, it's trustless, and basically it's gonna pay you for using the app. Anytime you actually need to do video conferencing, or you need to call someone, or be able to actually file transfer or file share, you can know and rest assured that no one else is listening or reading or reviewing or downloading your information. And you get paid for using it and sharing it with other people. And you have the opportunity right now to be participating during the pre-sale until all 10 million is sold. And so right now, if you see that this is an opportunity that you want to participate with PunkPanda, get back with the person who invited you to take a look at this video. And if you were actually looking at this or you stumbled upon this through the passive income group community, there is a link below that you can actually get pre-sale tokens. And again, thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll do a follow-up video and interview the founders of this project. Take care. See you in the next video.